I got Harper and Duke loaded. We're gonna head out to River Bend Sportsman's Resort and got a hunt this morning. We got 50 quail and 3 pheasant going out on the field. So y'all stay tuned and see how the dogs do and see if we can find some birds and get some shot. Whoa. Good dogs. Come here, Harper. Good girl. Good boy, dude. Good boy.
Facebook.
Well, that's a quick little hunt from the day. Got the dogs put up. Gonna head back to the lodge, get some dinner. Good day of bird hunting. I think we killed 50 plus birds. Bunch of pheasants, quail, and a couple chucker. Appreciate y'all watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see y'all in the field.